today's video, I'm going to talk about what is programming. I'm Tanvir from Code Monster. I'll be talking about these topics after the intro. So please stick with me. Hey, now I'm going to talk about what is programming. But before that, let's talk about something else. For that reason, I'm going to move my camera to my laptop screen. So, in our world, every living being possesses their own language to communicate with each other. But if we try to communicate with computer, is impossible because the computer don't understand the human language and the human don't know which language to use to communicate with computer. Like in the picture, a person is trying to say, please computer display hello world. The computer don't understand the language hello world, so the computer shows an error message by telling I don't understand your language. So to solve the problem, computer engineers and scientists created a process known as programming. And it helps us to communicate with computer is an easy way. Like in the picture you're seeing now, a person is trying to type print hello world. When he press enter, the computer directly understand what it means and show in the display hello world. That is how we communicate with computer. Now let's move to the next topic. Finally, we are going to talk about what is programming. A programming is a set of instructions for computer to do something like calculating between two numbers, search a key in search engine. We can do this using various type of language that is known as programming language like C, C++, Java, Python and so on. I'll be releasing them as a course from next week. That's it for this course and this video. If you like my video, please destroy the like button and subscribe my channel, that it will inspire me to create new video for you. I have to see you next time. See ya.